how to delete your Cash App account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually delete your Cash App account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to delete our Cash App account, all you have to do is just open up Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then you just need to scroll and then look for the option called support and then just tap on support. So basically, once you tap on support, in the search box just type in close your account, and then you will see an article pop up which is basically close your Cash App account. So you can just tap on this article. Once you tap on that, it will tell you a couple of information such as closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all sessions. So if you'd like to have your account closed permanently, just tap on the confirm button over here. As you do that, it may ask you for a confirmation to delete your account, and once done, your Cash App account will be successfully deleted, as you can see. That is it for this video on how you can delete your Cash App account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.